Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable controlled folder access in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To enable or disable controlled folder access in Windows, you can use the graphical interface, PowerShell, or the group policy. Here's a clean breakdown of each method. Method 1. Windows Security App. Open Windows Security. Press Windows key +I to open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then Windows Security. Click Open Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Ransomware Protection. Toggle Controlled Folder Access. Set to On to enable. Set to Off to disable. Confirm with Yes if prompted by User Account Control. Method 2. PowerShell. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run one of the following commands. Enable. Disable. Audit mode. Logs events without blocking. Method 3. Group policy. Windows Pro, Enterprise, Education. Press Windows key +R. Type gpedit.msc, press Enter. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Microsoft Defender Antivirus, Microsoft Defender Exploit Guard. Controlled Folder Access. Double-click Configure Controlled Folder Access. Choose Enabled and Set to Block to turn it on. Enabled and Set to Disable to turn it off. Not configured to use default behavior. Click Apply and OK. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.